this card here real quick, and then I'm gonna go over market analysis that I kind of have set up already. Hopefully, it's not like right on time. Okay, let's see. We got 30 seconds. As you can see, we had an insane selling momentum. But just gonna go over this. Previous to 9:30, we've already had a sweep and we had another sweep. But with this being a downtrend, we swept a previous high. So all I'm realistically looking for is sales. If price shows me that it's gonna go higher, I assume that it's gonna end up taking out this high, and then we're gonna push lower. 5 minute. Let's just see what happens. But in other words, this has already been swept. So realistically, I'm looking for a sell today, but we're gonna see what market does. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This thing's going bananas. I mean, I want to show you guys this. Do I think this is necessarily the right trade? I don't know. But realistically, I feel like we could sell like literally right. But with how volatile it is, I want to necessarily take this trade. Nope. That's what I'm saying. But it's not necessarily how I'm trying to trade. And luckily, we didn't take this trade because price is already up here. So I'm glad I don't trade like that no more. Okay, so like I said, we got the sweep previous to 9:30. We also have a fair value gap, inverse fair value gap. Luckily, it's already been disrespected. Um, we are basically just waiting for a 5 minute sweep, and then we'll be looking for sales. All right, we got a 5 minute sweep. Oh no, we don't. We need it to go above one of these highs, or we could just consider saying this was a sweep, but that is previous to 9:30, which is really risky. So I'm gonna play out. Let's see what happens. Oh, oh my goodness. Keep pushing higher. That's what we like to see. There we go. We got a 5 minute sweep. Now, realistically, all we're waiting for is price to show us any signs of fair value gap, inverse fair value gap, and we're selling this thing. I mean, we're selling the crap out of this thing. Let me back you up real quick. Go ahead, go to 1 minute. 1 minute has no signs of what I'm looking for, but we're gonna wait. Be nice if we can get an expansion candle with this candle, breaking this low, and then coming back to retest. Oh shoot, my buddy told me to call him. That boy got 30 seconds. Because the moment this candle closed, I ain't playing no games. Call. And as you can see, I might be sick again. I was just got done being sick, and then I think my wife got me sick, which is fun. It's so fun. Way you want to sit here, create a familiar, make it tiny. We're gonna see if this price comes back to this tiny favor again. We do get a break. Sweep, break, favor gap. So let's see if this retests. If this really retests, man, I'm be surprised. One thing I don't want is me getting in and then price just exploding to the upside. So I will kind of be hesitant to this fair value gap getting retested. I just want to see. Okay, we got the fair value gap touch. I want to see more weakness. I don't like how it keeps shooting to the upside. See, look at that. I was waiting for that. I'm so glad I was patient. That's what happens whenever you got patience. You don't get in something just because. You get in something because you know. Prime example. I knew for a fact the fact that this candle was a big candle, and then the second candle right beside it literally pushed all the way down, but then pushed all the way back up. Yeah, nah. You can't get me. You can't catch me right in there. No, this is invalid unless it's like a inverse. Oh, well, this could be a sale. I mean, this could be a buy. Nope. Price is just looking beautiful today. Would you look at this? I ain't never seen so much consolidation in my life. Lies. Mhm. What is this market? I don't know if it wants to go higher. I don't know if it wants to go lower. Excuse me. The only news we got is FOMC and final wholesale, and then at 10. There better be an entry of a fair value gap retest. Like, man, that's not playing. Oh, bro, my nose. He paid the price. Excuse me. So, what is going on? There's nothing on the 5 minute. There's nothing on the 1 minute. 1 hour has already shown us confirmation. 1 hour has shown us a sweep previous to market open, and then failure to break above this high. So now we're respecting the trend and we're sweeping this, but we get a break. I mean, we get a sweep, we get a break, we get an inverse value gap, but then we fail to go lower. So all confirmations are just jacked up. So I'm waiting for like some insane sweep. But let me be very honest with you. I highly doubt we're gonna get something crazy today. All because of this, previous to market open. All because of this, previous to market open. And all because of what happened yesterday afternoon. All because of this. So it doesn't surprise me that this thing is choppy as I don't know what. Can't really expect it to go anywhere when there hasn't been a specific consolidation until New York, realistically. Oh, I hate being sick, dude. So Question mark. Come on, give me something. We do we? No, I'm not yet. I'm just showing you guys if this does retest. It's not good. If it keeps making the movement that it's making, then we could be going for a buy. But if it goes for a retest, yeah, no, it's about to go down and smash my TPs. But they weren't a valid retest. That sucks. It really sucks. Like I really want this to go back and touch that. There you go. Because if it's gonna have a lot of bearish momentum to the downside, it's gonna take out this low, it's gonna take out this low, and then price is gonna go. It's gonna want to go for a buy that's gonna take 5 years, and I'm not about that. Give me my setup and give it to me now. Now, stop playing, for real. Which makes this doesn't look good because now we get a sweep, we get a breaker structure, and then if price breaks through this, now it becomes the inverse, which it ain't good. So now I got to be careful on this retest. Yeah, if it don't show weakness, I'm not getting in that. Like that's way too strong. Show me something. I need you to show me something. This second candle better be ready to make a tank movement. Yeah, no, I'm not buying that. I mean, I'm not selling that. Like I refuse. This is more of a sell. I mean, more of a buy now than a freaking sell. That's what I did want to go for. Because there really ain't no highs up here. Well, they already busted the thing. So I guess we're going for this high. Oh my God. Look at that adaptation. Who can do it like me? We get a touch into this inverse because we already created a breaker structure. Or if we get a touch into this fair value gap, we will see. This better be a valid retest though. I ain't playing about my valid retests. You're not gonna catch me lacking. Or if you go all the way up and don't show a valid retest, I'm a spaz. Like literally, I'm going this fast, bro. What is up with this? I cannot. Excuse me. All right, we pulled a retest. The price is just insanely trying to go high. I wanna wait a second, but thank you. A little bit lower. A little bit lower. A little bit lower. Could you just being so nice to me? I'll take that. I'm in for a buy.
Good morning, thank you.
From Duncan.
Yeah.
Um, 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 I'll text you. Said I'll text you.
Oh, okay.
Hey, this if this don't go my way, I'm gonna lose $600. Which ain't bad, but I did not want to lose $600. Off real. That was not the plan. If we can hit 912, I'm minimizing risk off the rip. Because I'm not taking the L today. Stay bullish. Stay bullish. Let's not consolidate, please. Keep that momentum up. Up was the key word. Keep that momentum up, not down. Up. Up, sensei. Up. Por favor. Up. Oh my gosh. Price is insane right now. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not gonna allow myself to lose a lot of money today. The price is just gonna be stupid. I'm only risking 300 now at this point. I can break above this line. I'll move my stop loss into take profits. Quit open. Yeah, wow, this trade's kind of disappointing me. I don't want to let it have breathing room for it to make me lose a lot of money. That's the only part that I'm like, no. Normally, I would let this trade have breathing room, but I'm like playing really aggressive with my stop loss just because I don't like how much momentum is to each side. And realistically, that creates no security within me if I'm in a trade that ain't really telling me what side's going to be valued. Okay, and now I'm gonna end up losing. My thing's spazzing out. I'll risk $400. Yeah, like way too aggressive. This is so weird, dude. I'm putting my stop loss. Yeah, my stop loss is right here. I'm not messing around with this anymore. It's the only thing that's messing with me the hardest is the fact that we're consolidating in a tight range. We're not necessarily going higher. We're not necessarily going lower. We're making very bullish moments, and then we're consolidating to the downside. And then we're making very bullish moments, and then we're consolidating to the downside. This has no security. I have no security with this trade. So I'm risking I'm only gonna allow myself to risk 200. Like I could care less if I lose this trade on $200, all because of the way it's playing out right now. Like if I have to get back into another trade, that's fine. But I'm getting rid of all my risk at this point. Like I'm not gonna sit in a trade that I'm in fear the whole entire time. Yeah, 250 for the day. This might be the most ridiculous video I've ever made, but we're gonna see if this actually works. I'll show you guys what I'm doing in just a moment. Man, I'm funny. They're about to lose a lot or win a lot. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm not proud about it, but gonna see. What is it? Lose a lot or win a lot? I wanted my entry to be up here, But realistically, with the way that price is moving, I just was like, you know what, I need to take what I can. If price breaks through this, I'm screwed. But if price rejects this fair value gap, I'm good. And it's a little bit messy, but I'll just put it to you like that. Right. At this point, I'm not expecting price to look clean anymore. I'm taking a big risk. That's all I'm gonna say. Oh, paying the price. I just lost 800 on the day. I'm about to like right now, just because of how much it's exploding to the upside. 800 on the day. L for 800 on the day. Is it gonna take me out? Yeah, it's taking me out. Oh, come on. If you're gonna do it, do it. If you're gonna do it, do it. Don't sit here and make me feel good if you ain't gonna make me win. What we doing? All right. 800 down for the day. Yeah. I'm not gonna hold you guys. I am not mad about losing today. This was some trash. Trash. I tried to work with it. I couldn't. I really could not. I mean, the fact that like it's going based off it's not going based on that looked actually really bad. I wasn't scratching my nipples, I was scratching my chest. Uh, Dude, man. I'm gonna be very transparent. The part that's bothering me the most about trading right now is I'll have so many good days, and then I'll have one, like if I'm not wrong, I'll have so many good weeks. I'll have that one week where I catch a loss and a W, a loss and a W. Consolidating right now from 100 and 1,000, from 100 100,200. Like, and I can't even speak, dude. It's just a lot right now mentally because I keep fluctuating my account from 101,000 to 100,200, and it's frustrating me because I'm seeing the same thing every single day. This whole week, I've literally stayed in a range, and like this is my biggest red week so far. Like literally so freaking far. Let me see what this week was. What was? Let me see. So the week was 5. I'm not worried about the market anymore. I'm gonna tell you guys my trades this entire week. All right, so first trade this week, I lost 460. For second trade, I lost 370. Third trade, 450. Fifth trade, fourth trade, 1500 on the win. I lost 200 on the next one. I lost 370 on the next one. I caught a W for 1,000 on the next one. Then I just lost today 2 times. I lost $900 today. This is my poopiest week. And it's like, bro, come on, bro. The moment that I'm ready to make some freaking killer trades, price is doing stuff like this. And like I can't even make this up. It'd have been different if I didn't have confirmation after confirmation. But bro, 1 hour. Look at this freaking crowd, dude. We had a sweep previous to freaking market open. We never caught a freaking dub. We never caught a break of structure to the upside. Other than this high getting broke. Yeah, we caught a break of structure, but we never broke this high. This high never got broken. And then we consolidated. So what does that mean? Price is looking for reversals. There might be a trade here in a little bit, but dude, like this was disgusting. And then we sit here and sweep the initial low that already was swept. And then we go higher. But we consolidate, break through fair value gaps, broke this inverse, invalidated, 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 offer it to consolidate, come back lower, and hit this freaking doji. Like, I don't understand what attracts dojis so hard, like magnets. I just wanted to sit here and catch a little slick trade. I'm not mad that I lost, but I am mad about market conditions just because of how, like, It is like this is not clean. Somebody's gonna say, "Well, there's an order block right there. You should have just waited." I don't trade order blocks, so when an order block does appear, I don't have confirmations for it. I just trade off of fair value gaps, and every single fair value gap got disrespected. Every single last one. It never got touched or it got disrespected. So that was kind of just my Thursday. I mean, this is annoying. Like to me, now I have to make another $1,000 to be at $100,000, $101,000. But no, now I'm at almost break even. Once again, I'll have a green day, a red day, a green day, a red day. This week is trash for me. But is what it is. It's process. But hopefully next week we can just build it up. Because I want to at least be at 105,000 next week. Or at least 110,000 if we can just catch dubs back to back. We'll see. But I love you guys. But if I catch another trade, I'll make it. I also will say I'm behind 2 videos. So if you watch this far, like and subscribe. God is good. We woke up another day. Let's get in them Bibles. Amen.